I'm just going to Christmas. I'm going to take a part of me. So the itch up for my husband so that I could come further. I'm going to say turn on for me. I have to put myself first, come and love myself so much. Fuck this. Since I'm afraid of me, I'm so awful. People are awful. But I'm nice. Why am I smelling? Lick me with the blood one. That's my belief. And that's what made me the queen that I one queen of the pack. Me enough blood argue with them woman for send for them come a foreign. Me enough girl will sit down and wait for 20 years to have house and land and pretty frock and this and bridesmaid. Make them married happy. Me make a whole heap of things possible in a life. You hear that? Where girls look up to me. No more fight is on the whole atlas. You hear that? When I say 50 year old, my song is Queenie G. I may have a couple old G's with me. That's B&B. London girl, there's T in me. 5 kids, whole heap of seeds in me. People look and believe in me. Listen to my bar them in a 50-year-old. 5 kids, whole heap of seeds in me. People look and believe in me. You know how much girls, how much you say all will happen to me. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not on. Come a little but me I go on, but me I grieve. And the grief when me I grieve, me I get on and remember one day I go I'ma take the mic for DJ. I'm a swan girl, she dressed like how my daughter and I dress her ears, see me, so we should have done a good simple something there. Look, I said, I'm take the mic, I'm a see the girl. Mom could have been no some hot girl, and you can't be a flat girl. Cause if that girl, you hear that, I don't know my pain. But take the mic, I work. You hear that? I wear my hard living. And I stop shopping. I give me a little bucket. Oh my God. Whose party was? I think it was Kim party. No. A good thing I'm truthful in it. He's just a natural truthful person in it. So when the man called me, 2 weeks after, a week after the lawyer called me, I said, Janice, I'm coming to pick up the paper. I said, Justin, love, I'll know them not follow. Tell him, say, Janice, I'll do it for you. Bring them to my office. I said, okay, that's good. I will go to the office. And the woman said the appointment with the man. So I got to work, none of this. So when I tell me I'm for shame and me this and me that, no, I'm not him. My hurt can I get a bad deal in my marriage. And first time I put up my hand for when me do wrong and then everybody else want bash me, I come kiss on my blood. Why anything I put up the security video? For telling us I don't blamp with my cause if my kitchen in a real life, I tear out. I don't think I call me that show or something in the store with the security. The security traumatized me. Remember me and woman, I'm emotional, you know. So if you see the man spit by me, you know, remember I'm a man that like strong woman, you know, and if you remember that ladies want to know bash my good night. Jesus Christ, God, we believe about this anyway. And the man puts up every time I pass the man shop and see the man in the shop, you know, I want to go fight him, but I don't want to go to jail. And so I just said, promise so. So when I come to me, boy, me a bully. My father grew me banker. My father grew me rough. You understand? Your mouth have no... Why Richard, thank you. Yeah. I mean, they have the video on my phone and then on my phone. I think I go with the phone with the man and them run and you hear him voice. But I just want to say, secret, why they really spit for me, you know? I still not understand all if me a thief, brother. That not in your uniform, you know? I have enough interesting things to talk and it's the fact that I have the guts to say them. Why not just say them, come and listen more and write a book? Mouth writing, yeah, modern time now. I go do it, I've been telling you, you know. I just want to get my head together back, you know, heal me, I heal in it. Yeah, so however I take for heal or whatever time, me I heal. I not hold a grudge, you know, it's long. You so look nice and beautiful, even though I could have look beautiful, but I'm a yellow teeth, yellow teeth, 6 chips, so discriminating. Because all you gotta tell me is my teeth yellow, I'm full of personal hygiene. Say my teeth yellow, I can't put white paint at me, and I can't take white paint. Yellow teeth, I go and do. So can you not come live with me? I don't know why the phone I do this. Jesus Christ. You don't talk too much. Why, Mama Dan?
The life apart too much.
I don't know why. Maybe I the era when I eat them. Because I know a little restock on era, you know.
People them say tomorrow.
Yeah.
You know
what? I'm get the costume.
Tell the people them say.
Alright.
Tomorrow your video shoot you go look nice and you're happy and all of them things there, see me? That if you hype up about tomorrow.
Yeah.
Put energy for tomorrow.
That's true, man. Alright, madam. I'm on that, fam. I'm on that. When I get back local, and when I get back local, I just...
Alright. Good.
Can't do that. When you come out here, give me a piece of song, please, because I can't do it as I am.
Which one? Do it?
Yeah. Yes, man, do it, indeed. Yeah, man, you're married to me, man. I have to rate him for that, no matter what. Trust me. I may tell you, enough man trick me, so them are going to do it! Wanna send me some fire? Send me some fire, please. Send me some fire to my video shoot. Yeah, smile nice. Them say you smile nice. Them have a nice smile for sure.
Part 2 for that song you already. Yeah. Yeah, man. That one day I got tell them like a bullet, man. Surprise! Yeah, man. I don't know normal.
Yeah. See, ready! See what it was for them girl who are going. Run by the door them for me. Send out, bless your love. Link up after the live, yeah? Alright, but that nice one. Okay, damn, crazy, never lazy. On the clock, may I give her more fire, please, and thanks. One queen in the... Oh my God, what a fuck, though. What? Makes so much sense, do you know? Russian! Oh God! Oh man, I should have taken my energy. You never take my energy, baby. It just take time. It's good at. Never take my energy in a Russian. It was just God and time, baby girl. Sometimes we got one God for the things in our time. Yeah, man, I'm going to do a song for Russell. I'm going to do a reality. What if I sang him out for me? Oh, God, Queenie. You see? You know, every time time I get one good downfall, I always get some positive something. Remember last year, my bless her, I say, all I producer them when I move on much no use. Someone for book my man and get me advice me and all of them something. Is it God? Is it mode? That's why I don't want nobody say nothing negative about me. When the truth I'm accept it, man. Trample it. I see the tongue, the words from your mouth. Dangerous. So you have to trample it. No, don't say that about me. Don't. I will not accept. Yeah. Fight it out. Trust me. People more dangerous and powerful. Trust me. So, what's the word, Peter, what's the word? So, I go for the grabby. Support me. In any way you can. Because I'm a girl power. I'm doing enough there, we do enough. Now, I don't know tell me to go hide found and then come back. No, I'm don't move. Hey, understand? When I get the nice time with me, the sweet time. So whatever time I do not deny me, don't. Stay with me. I'll stay with you, okay? Don't run away from me. Stand up with me. You understand unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall. When I'm an internet family, and that's the truth. When I'm an internet family, so when people say I love internet, when I want to know me, that's so. Like me the years and I say, oh God, they must have one day Queenie had dropped down low and I dig one hole. So I'm going to say hi to them. I have to consider how no. Because no matter how much question I say, no living with people, them all and them have argument. I say, well, so number Queenie, I got a little fun. Move. No fun, I got my biggest fan. Where? One thing for I got have me and then everything that's on the route to me, I'm an answer. No, it's no feel like you have your opinion. When the trouble that's the answer now, blood clot like me. She got to listen to me. So shit happens. People rude and say things. Nobody not perfect. So me I want to be like shut up, Queenie. Internet, really, I'm an internet family. So I care about you because people genuinely sit down and fret and sorry for me and feel that something going to do me. Genuinely. Because I'm an energy when I share through the internet. So I would be a weak listen to the meds. If me gonna run me off of it, that's my blessing. Me would have black. Because me I deny the fact that my